Hello, I'm Little Red Riding Lynx, and this is the adventures of me, Little Red Riding Lynx. Today's story is when I take these cookies to Grandma's house. Dun 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 dun. Hi, I'm Little Red Riding Lynx. I'm going to take these cookies to Grandma's house. So I was walking through the woods, and then out came a wolf.
Hey, can I take those cookies to your grandma's house?
No, you sicko! Oh wait, that's not how it happened. Car! Now get in! Back it up, back it up, back it up. So I was walking through the woods, and out came a wolf.
Hey, can I take those cookies to your grandma's house?
No, you sicko!
Ugh.
So we're walking to Grandma's house. No duct tape, my Grandma. We put them in the spare closet. And I arrived at Grandma's house. Grandma! Come in! Oh, here's those cookies you wanted. Okay. Oh, what big paws you have, Grandma. What big nose you have. What big teeth you have.
Get away from me! I'm not your grandma. Your grandma's in the closet.
Grandma! Oh, a cookie! That's good.
The wolf. Did you go away with the cookies already?
Yeah.
I'm taking my... Okay. Go get those cookies!
Oh, okay. I was walking through the forest. I finally found the wolf. Hey, wolf! Get back those cookies!
Never!
Oh, cookies. Oh, here's your cookies.
Thank you, sweetie.
Such a pig.